Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do screen mirroring between your iPad and a new Samsung TV. This is a 2024 model and you don't need any adapters to do this. It will just all work wirelessly. So let's pretend now we want to share our pictures with people when they're around and we want to put it on the big screen. On the iPad, you're going to scroll down from the top to bring up this menu here, and you're going to tap on where there's two screens, this one here, and it's saying screen mirroring, and it's going to list the devices in the area that you can connect to, and this TV here is the 55-inch Crystal UHD. I haven't done it on this one before. This will be the first time, the same as you doing it yourself. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to ask for a security code to pair, because clearly you could be connecting to your neighbour's TV and showing them stuff they don't want to see. So I'm going to enter in 8706. Your code will be different. 8706. Okay. And now you can see what we see on here is now on here. And then basically I can go in between and you can see it's actually very responsive. So you can see it whizzing through there. And it's not just with pictures. Whatever you're doing on here, most things you will be able to mirror onto the TV. So if we want to then get rid of that, all we have to do is come down from the top here and hit the two screens, and we have an option to stop mirroring. And there you go. You can see now your iPad is back to normal and your TV is back to normal. Really straightforward. Next time we go into it, we won't even have to do that security code because it recognizes the device. Just like that. Thanks for watching.